How to add multiple Google accounts on Android. Full guide. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to add multiple accounts on Android. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Accounts or Users and Accounts, depending on your device. Tap Add Account, then select Google. Enter the email and password for the new account and follow the prompts to finish setting it up. You can switch between accounts in the Accounts section or within Google Apps like Gmail. And that is how you can add multiple Google accounts on your Android device. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and if you are facing any further issues solving the problem, please comment below and I will help you with it. Thank you.